Let's start this video with a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out. Let's get to it. So if you watched my last video, I was talking about the poor results I was getting cutting dados across the grain on some maple veneer plywood. I was getting a lot of tear out like you see here, and I really wasn't happy with it. I went over a few different things you can do to help fix tear out like this, and while I did greatly improve my results, I didn't fix the problem 100%. When it was all said and done, I figured it was just time to get these blades sharpened. So that's what I did. I dropped them off with my local blade sharpening guy over the weekend, and now I have them back. They did my 2 dado blades, all the chippers, and 2 table saw blades, and the whole thing cost about 80 bucks. And when they're done sharpening the blades, they dip the teeth in this wax, helps protect them, keeps them nice and sharp up until the time you use them. So now is the moment of truth. I'm going to peel the wax off, set up a 1/4-inch dado, and see how these cut. So I made all my cuts with my freshly sharpened dado set, and everything turned out great. I really couldn't be happier. I didn't want to bore you with the setup and all the cuts and all that. You've seen all that before. But I do want to show you the improvement in the cuts now that the set is sharpened. So really quick, I just wanted to remind everybody what these cuts look like before getting these blades sharpened. You can see all the tear out that was going on. And now that they're sharp, I cut a bunch of drawer pieces, and this is what I was getting. Nice, crisp, clean cuts. This was the big problem, was cutting cross grain, and you can see no problem at all anymore. As long as I have you guys here, I wanted to go over how to assemble a drawer after cutting it out using the half method. Now I made a video how to build drawers using that method. I'll post a link to it right up here, but I wanted to take the time today to give you a better understanding of why we cut the drawer pieces out the way we do and how we assemble them. So let's go to the workbench and we'll check that out. Okay, here we have our drawer pieces laid out. We have 2 sides, a front, and the back. And as you can see, on the inside of the side pieces, we have a groove cut at the front and the back, and a dado along the bottom. And on the front piece and the back piece, on the inside, we have a dado along the bottom, and on the outside, we have 2 rabbets cut, one on each end. Now assembling these drawers is very easy. The dado along the bottom of all the pieces is there to accept the drawer bottom. And the grooves and the rabbets are the joinery to assemble our drawer. And to assemble this drawer, you just slide the rabbets into the grooves. And of course, when I'm assembling this drawer for real, I apply glue to all these joints. Once the 2 sides are on, I just stand it up. I slide my bottom into the dado and then fit the last piece on. I wanted to show you close up the importance of cutting the grooves in the sides and the rabbets in the front and back when you're using the half method. When this drawer is in use and you're opening and closing it, most of the force on this joint will be pushing this way or pushing this way. So when you have the rabbet in the groove, there's no way for this joint at the corner to pull apart. Now I've turned my drawer sideways to show you what happens if you do this joinery backwards. If you do the groove in the front piece and the rabbet in the side, you get a joint that's going to pull apart very easily. Now I've seen plenty of people do this, so don't be that guy. So remember, once again, when you're building drawers using the half method, you want rabbets on your front and your back, and your grooves on your side pieces. So that's it. I was able to mill up enough material there for 7 drawers. I got 4 going in my daughter's desk, and then 3 going in the table that I built for my 3D printer. All the cuts look great, and I'm excited to get these drawers done. So remember to keep your blades sharp and clean, and keep your tools in good working order. They'll perform a lot better for you. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out. Thanks for watching.